This house isn't just move-in ready, it's future-proof, flood-free, and packed with precision. This upgraded Nantucket 2 model gives you space, security, and serious flexibility. A fully reimagined chef's kitchen with quartz countertops, custom maple cabinetry, and premium appliances. Designed for daily life and dream entertaining. In the amenity-rich Renaissance at Welland Park, just minutes from downtown. No flood zone, no flood insurance, just smart, stylish living in the heart of it all.